So this is what I will be using: gel, comb, smoothing brush. I will start by sectioning my hair. I have a lot of white hair going on here, but we move. Oh, braid. I'll do the same on this side. Apply gel. I've not applied gel on my hair for more than 2 years now. Okay, apply enough gel. Like you guys, I would love to have a lot of hair on the back side. That is why I blow dryer the hair first. That way I will be able to have enough hair on the ends at the back side, if that makes sense. To be doing middle part or styling my hair middle part. Water on this section, the remaining section, you know, spray water. Let's do like this. Water is dropping. Ignore that. Ignore that. I know you guys were like, why did you spray water when you blow dry your hair? Boop, 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 boop. Slick. Okay. Side. I come to you. Present my husband. I'm going to use this pink hair band to secure my hair. My front hair is crying for help. You guys, if you know any product that I can use to bring my front hair back, please leave the name in the comment section. I would definitely check it out, or I would definitely buy it. Thank you in advance. The back, I'm going to tie my hair with this scarf. Hey besties, we are back in the building. Welcome back, welcome back. So you guys, my makeup is done. Actually, I did this makeup 4 to 5 hours ago. My face is so oily right now. That is because I went to do some grocery shopping. Afterwards, I went to pick up the children from their grandparents' house, and it was super hot outside. I think my hair is dry now. I hope it's completely dry. So let's finish up the hairstyle, okay? I'm going to start by taking this scarf out. Ooh, look at the hair. The hair is hairy, you know. The hair is giving. This is the back side. I'm going to braid it like this. Braid, braid, braid. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Braid, braid, braid. The braid does not use this hairband to secure the hair like this. Like, put it down, put it like this, wrap it around, and then use the hairband to kind of tie it together like this. I'm going to attach this 3-in-1 half wig on my hair like this. Just attached it on top of the low bun we created. Let me turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing anyways. Turn around and this is the back side. What do you guys think? The side, the front, the other side. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay blessed, stay positive. Do you love you? Whatever that makes you happy, please do it, because this life is too short, okay? 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 I'm sending you guys all the love from Belgium. Bye, besties.